Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm on the pocket option platform and I'm going to be trading stock indices, things like the Japanese 225 indice, US 100. They're all here on the top of the page here on the platform, on the pocket option platform. So I'm going to be utilizing one indicator. And if you click on the indicator icon here, the name of the indicator is the Fractal Chaos Bands indicator. Okay. So once you click on that indicator, you'll see two lines here, a green line and a red line. The green line represents a dynamic level of resistance, and the red line represents a dynamic level of support. Okay. Now, if I click on the pencil icon and go into the indicator settings here, I have the period set to 2, which is the default setting. So we're going to keep the default setting. Okay, save that. And for my candlestick chart, I have my candles set to 1 minute candles, regular Japanese candles. Okay. And for my trade timer, I also have that set to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. So let me pause. I'm going to pause the video and look for a setup. Okay, so I'm on the JPN 225, the Japanese 225 stock index, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the trade is, if you notice here, the previous green candle closed outside of the chaos band line, the green chaos band line here. And so since it closed outside, I took it suggests that there's going to be a bullish movement upward to the upside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right. All right, so I'm gonna pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the E35 Euro stock index here, and similar to the previous trade, I noticed that the candle closed right outside the upper level of the fractal chaos band here. So I waited for that to make sure that the candle closed uh, outside the band here, and so which suggests a bullish movement, a bullish breakout upward. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. All right, so let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the US 100 stock index here, and I just took a sell trade. And the reason why I took the trade is I waited for the candle to go outside, leave outside the lower boundary of the fractal chaos band here. And I was anticipating that the candle would close outside, and it actually did, because this next candle here, uh, the next candle closed, and it's suggesting this downward bearish trend here. So the idea is that if you anticipate that the candle is going to close outside the boundary, even you don't have to wait for the candle to close. You can take the trade in the direction of the trend here, and there we go. You see, so we won that trade. So let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on the E50 Euro stock index, and similarly to the previous trades, I waited for this candle The candle leaves outside, goes outside the chaos band area here, the green line here. And I was anticipating that the price would close, which it just did. If you see this current candle here, the price closed outside the band line, which suggests a bullish breakout to the upside. So as long as you anticipate, like I mentioned in the previous trade, as long as you anticipate that the candle will close above that chaos band line, then take the trade. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade also. Okay. So let me pause the video and look for one more setup. Okay, so I'm on the Dow Jones Industrial 30 stock indice, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason I took the buy trade is, as you see here, the previous green candle closed right outside the Fractal Chaos band line here, the green band line. And so that's suggesting a bullish movement to the upside. And so that's why I took the trade. It broke that level of, these are dynamic level, that's a dynamic level of resistance here. And once it breaks that level of resistance, that suggests a bullish breakout to the upside here. And this is exactly what happened. So let's wait for the expiry. Okay, so we won that trade. So we had a good session here. So I'm going to close out the session. If you're interested in trading on the Pocket Option platform, I have a link to the description in the video comments and in the channel description, in my channel description. Please like the video, share it if you want to with your friends, comment on the strategy. But in any event, thank you for watching and happy trading. Gus Schmidt.